Welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to lock Amazon app on iPhone with Face ID or passcode. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. Open Shortcut app from home screen. Now click here. Now click on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and click on App. From here click on Choose. Here write Amazon and select it. Now click on Next. Then click on Add Action. Search for Start Timer and then select it. Write 1 second here and click Next. Uncheck this button and click Done. In this way you can lock your Amazon app on iPhone with Face ID and passcode. Let's check that if it is working. Open Amazon app. Here you can see that it is locked. So there you have it, the simple method to lock Amazon with Face ID and passcode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.